If you're wondering how to install apps without an Apple ID password, this video is for you. In this video, you'll learn how to use a simple workaround to download and install any app from the App Store without having to enter your password. So if you've forgotten your password or simply don't want to enter it every time you want to install something, watch this video until the very end to learn how to install apps without an Apple ID password. So if I open up the Apple App Store and try to install an app on my iPhone, it is going to ask for my Apple ID password. So in order to stop this from happening every time you want to install something on your device, the first thing that you want to do is exit the Apple App Store and open up the settings of your iPhone. And then select the very first option. You should see your name, and it will also say Apple ID, iCloud, Media, and Purchases. Once you are on the Apple ID screen, simply tap on Media and Purchases, and it will show you 3 different options. Go ahead and tap on the password settings. Once you are on this screen, you will see a section called Free Downloads, and under that it says Require Password, which is toggled on. So if you want to install apps without having to enter your Apple ID password every time, simply toggle this off. After that, tap Done. Once you toggle that off, exit the settings. So now let's open up the App Store and try to download that same app to see whether or not I still need my Apple ID password. As you can see, it no longer requires my Apple ID password, and I can simply just install it without any issue. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.